Hi, I'm Jacques Pépin and I'm cooking at home. This is a small, easy dessert done with guava paste inspired by my wife, Spanish background, Puerto Rican. So what I'm using here, a regular pound cake here that you can buy. A small slice about, not quite half an inch wide. I'm trimming it, although you don't have to trim it. Cut it in 4. Okay, put that here. So here we do that for like 12. And even if you trim it, don't throw that away. Okay, here we are. You can do that, of course. I'm doing guava paste, but you can use other type of dry fruit. So I have the guava here. Sometimes it comes in can, sometimes it comes in block like this. And of course, this is concentrated taste. So I am cutting that into about ½ inch thick. Yeah, you can do them smaller than that or bigger than that. And I'm doing like 3 pieces like this. 1, 2, 3. Okay, then in top of this, I put a little bit of cream cheese. This is, those are just whipped cream cheese, I like the whipped cream cheese. But you can have any cream cheese you want. This. And on top of this, of course, mint. And the mint here, I have in my garden a lot of mint, but it's not really a decoration. You have to eat that piece, that little leaves of mint go so well with that mixture of cream cheese and so. And this is it, presenting it this way. You can even put a few little pieces of mint around. And so this is it for my wife Gloria, cream cheese and guava paste. You can serve it on cookie, easy on pound cake. I'm sure you're going to like it. Happy cooking.